Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quarterly FabFitFun unboxing, and okay, this has popsicles on it, which is so cute, and they look like dip popsicles, which like makes me think of the Jersey Shore. Not like Jersey Shore, but like the physical Jersey Shore. The best ice cream I've ever had is down there. It's from Coors. I've probably talked about Coors multiple times on this channel. The best creamsicle ice cream that one will ever have. My hair's wet because I actually have to go to work in 15 minutes, but I thought I would just unbox this first. I did get this 2 weeks ago. We did have a COVID thing happen in my house. It's been spiking where I am, which is like New Jersey, and my dad brought COVID home. I was with a friend, so I stayed with a friend the whole time. We were really worried about my mom getting sick, but luckily she didn't. My little brother did get sick though, so I have been gone for 2 weeks. He actually texted me about this box like the day he got sick, so everyone is healthy now, and I'm so happy because I was so worried about my mom with her condition. But thank goodness she got her 4th shot, so her 2nd booster, and I really think that is what saved her, because her and my older brother both got that 4th booster and neither of them got sick. And my dad and my brother, who only have 3 shots, got sick pretty quickly. Another reason why I didn't want to come home, I haven't gotten my 4th booster. I mean my 4th shot, 2nd booster yet. But all right, let's open this box. Okay, and this box is made of 100% recycled craft materials. So I did do some add-ons purchasing this time. I've been staying with my partner, and their water is a little bit different than the water I have in my home. So I noticed I've been getting pimples, I guess because hard versus soft water or something. So I did pick up the Mighty Patches. These are supposed to help pimples. My friend got me some when she was in Taiwan, these little pimple patches, and they work literally wonders. So I was like, cool, let me pick up some more pimple patches. I believe I got these for $7. Then they gave me some freebies. I got some free Smart Water, which I actually love drinking Smart Water for no other reason than it tastes good. Like I really kind of don't care. Oh, this is Smart Plus. So it has, I don't know, vitamins in it. I got the flavor Dandelion Lemon, so I'm excited to try that. Put that next to me. I also got this free Crest Whitening Emulsions. When I went to the dentist last, they're like, oh my god, your teeth look so beautiful, but they're not white. So this is supposed to help whiten your teeth, but also be careful of sensitive teeth. And my teeth are incredibly sensitive, so those little like whitening strips do not work for me. So I'm excited to try this, especially because it was free and it's a pretty full-size product. I've never heard of this, so I'm intrigued for sure. Then of course, as you guys know, I always pick up a London Town glass nail file because you can never have enough nail files. And I talk about my hair journey every time I do one of these damn boxes. On my hair journey, I've been working and my hair is doing way better. It's way more curly wavy than it's ever been before. So I picked up this Living Proof Curl Enhancer for waves specifically. And it's supposed to help bring out your waves. I do have a leave-in conditioner in my hair right now that's supposed to, I'm trying something out to see if that will do anything, but I'm very excited for this because I really, really want to own my wave curls this summer and like actually take care of my hair, because I hadn't gotten my hair cut in like almost a year, and then I got my hair cut a few weeks ago. And now onto the actual box. Like always, they give us a beautiful little magazine, but I know I've mentioned this a few times, I can't see all of the items and all of the choices in the magazine, which I miss so much, but they do have a QR code to take me to my own FabFitFun thing, so I see what I picked. So let me open up my app right now. I have everything in here except this, which I guess I'll start with. This is the KO body scrubber. It says like a bonus surprise item for $15, so I guess this retails for $15. And it's like a body scrubber, I guess. It feels way more hygienic than like those little puffs that you use. It also doesn't give instructions, so like I really hope I'm not going to be using this wrong, but that's exciting. I have so many like liquid body soaps, but I usually use like bar soap at home, so now I'll be able to go through those liquid body soaps with this. So this is the first thing in the box. I'm gonna just pick one randomly. So let's start with shampoos. These are from IGK. This is the legendary Dream Hair Shampoo and Dream Hair Conditioner with shea butter and Red Sea algae. It's a multi-benefit shampoo that adds shine, moisture, and smoothness and strength while nourishing the scalp for any hair type. Wasn't in love with all of the choices this time. Like, I did struggle to figure out like what I wanted. So this box is actually very makeup skincare heavy, which it hasn't been in a while. And this choice that I picked these with, I feel like there weren't many good options, and I know a few other people have said that, but I did struggle to pick some options. So I figured I could always use shampoo and conditioner. I've used IGK's Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm, and I really love that. So I thought, let me try out some shampoo and conditioner. Why not get them and try here, you know what I mean? These retail for $62, so I guess each one is $31, because unlike the math that I did one time that was so wrong, 62 divided by 2 is 31. Then I have Grace and Stella Everything in Pink Eye Mask Collagen Booster. Again, it was hard for me to find items that I was excited about in some choices, so I kind of just like was like, okay, what will I use out of these? And I have been wanting some eye masks because life is tiring and my eyes are looking tired, and I don't love putting on a full face mask. It's hard for me to do, but under eye masks are really easy for me to do while I'm doing work. Since I work remotely, I can just put it on in the morning, like while I'm doing work on the computer, take it off, and then like feel so refreshed. So these are 12 pairs of eye masks, and I'm excited to try them. This I did buy as an add-on. This is from Tula. This is the Balance Skin Glow and Protect Daily Sunscreen, SPF 30. It was between this and another product. This was actually like the one section choice that I was like, there's 2 products I want. I had been using the Supergoop Glow Screen, but it was expired and it went everywhere. So I've been looking for a new sunscreen, and this looked really interesting. I have never used Tula products before, so I thought this would be a great time to try. And it says it's not just sunscreen, it's skincare. The daily SPF 30 you need, plus protection against the damaging effects of pollution and blue light, all while giving you a gorgeous glow. So I thought this would be a glowy sunscreen akin to the Glow Screen. So I did pay $10 extra to add this onto my box, and I'm not upset about that at all. I'm actually incredibly excited about that. So the next thing I got was from First Aid Beauty. This is a bundle. They have the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub and also the Ingrown Hair Pads. And this is another choice that I was like, there were 2 things I was going back and forth on. But in the summer, I get these red bumps all over my legs, and I don't know why. And I've gone to doctors about it, and they basically say like it's a form of eczema or something like that, but it only happens in the summer. It only happens on my legs. It's the weirdest thing. So I thought maybe using this like bump eraser body scrub might help with that. And I've had it before, the body scrub. I've used it on my arms, and it's really helped because sometimes I get bumps on my arms. And then the Ingrown Hair Pads, I don't know about any other people out here, but when I shave my bikini line, yeah, I just thought this might help with the ingrown hairs that sometimes happen. I've been an adult. I've been on this earth for 26 years, and I don't know how to like shave my bikini line that it looks not gross, you know what I mean? I don't want to wax it. So I thought maybe these ingrown hair pads would do something, so I'm very excited about these ingrown hair pads. Oh my god, I didn't give you the price on anything else. I'm so sorry. So these 2 together are $40, meaning they'd be $20 each. Actually, I know this one's like $32, so maybe the other one's cheaper. And then the Tula is $36. Again, I got this as a $10 add-on. And then the Grace and Stella is $24 for a pack of 12, so it's $2 per eye gel. The next thing I got in the box, this one was probably like the most disappointing choice, the one I picked this out from. This is from, I don't even know how to pronounce this brand, Illamasqua Gel Sculpt in the contour in the shade Outline. They had like 4 different choices of this, and I know a lot of subscription boxes have kind of been pushing this brand. So it looks really dark. I couldn't tell. This looks like the lightest shade like online when I was picking it out. And it definitely looks like really, I don't know, it looks like sheer-ish. It feels really hydrating. It smells, it's very potent. It smells very floral. So I thought I would try a gel contour. Like, why not? This is the time for me to try things, but I wish there were other options. It also feels like it blends out to kind of nothing. I didn't feel like I had a lot of options to choose from, and this was one of like the ones that I was like, this feels interesting to me, so I guess I'll pick it based on like I'm interested by it. But if I had a choice, I wouldn't have picked that one, and that retails for $32, which was like a lot of money for something that literally blended away on my hand. We have 2 more products in here. One was the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume and Lift Curl Mascara. As you all know, I'm a mascara fiend. I love mascaras, and I had a mini size of this, and I kind of liked it. It's a very interesting wand. It's like flat when you look at it, but then the 2 sides have bristles on it. So the way I've been applying this mascara to like make it work is I go in with the flat side and like coat the lashes with that, and then I'll turn it and like define the lashes. I have never used this product though without a lash primer, so I'm interested to see what this is going to be like without a lash primer. I did just buy like 5 mascaras because I was not here at my home because of the COVID outbreak. I was running out of mascaras. I knew I needed to buy mascara, so I bought a mascara while Ulta was having like this deal on like a certain amount of points. And then I forgot that I had got this in my box that came. And then Ulta also had $15 mascaras, and like my favorite mascara ever is the Bare Mineral Strength and Length. So I bought 2 of them because when I don't use that mascara, like I get upset. Like truly, it's one of the best it's the best mascara I've ever used in my life. And it not only like lengthens my lashes, but it really like nourishes them. I can tell there's like a serum element involved. Anyway, so I have like 5 mascaras now, but this is the next one I'm going to open after the one I ordered. Yeah, this retails for $24, and I'm actually really excited about this product. Probably the one, it's gonna sound really harsh, but this is the thing I'm like most excited for in this box. And then also this one is pretty exciting, I guess. So you either get a bundle as like the last pick option, or you could pick one item. So I picked the Anastasia Beverly Hills Satin Lipstick in Butterscotch. This retails for $20. And this is the packaging, which kind of feels like low-key really cheap. And this is the shade. It's just like a very nude beige, but like almost brownie. Yeah, they didn't have, again, like a lot of great options for the last one, so I just picked a lipstick because I know I'll always use lipstick. I don't support Anastasia Beverly Hills as a brand. It was just literally because I had like no other choice really. And that is everything I got in my box and add-on. Here, let me just quickly add this all up so you guys see what the total of this was. So all together, my box total was oh, I'm sorry, I forgot the scrubby. $217. Again, I added this one on for an extra $10, so I ended up paying $10 extra for my box for this item, but I'm not going to add it to the total because what you got base is $217, which is still good because you only pay $50 for the box, but this was not my favorite box. I can't even say I was excited about getting it. Like I said, the product I'm most excited for is the mascara, and it's solely because I love mascara. I don't necessarily feel really excited about anything else. I'm more excited for the things I got on add-ons than I was for the choice options. I hope next quarter is different. That'll be the fall box, and fall is my favorite time of year. I just wish there was more summery things in this, like more summery options. There just wasn't. It was just a weird array of things you could choose for this box. So that's my 2 cents there. I'll use everything. We'll see how this little contour stick goes. But that is everything for my FabFitFun this quarter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Did you get FabFitFun this quarter, and how do you feel about it? Honestly, like, break it down, be very honest with me. And yeah, that is it for today. I'm gonna try to post more often, like I always say before I leave, but follow me on TikTok. I do history content there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.